Hey, good morning, seventh grade class. So I am here at our Google Classroom page and looking at Miss Collier's post from this morning. I'm just going to read it out loud and go over the instructions so you guys have audio and video to help you understand what you're doing today. Today we'll be going over new vocabulary, author's purpose and main idea, and open-ended questions for the week. Please download the new vocabulary from the link provided and have author's purpose / main idea worksheets with you for the meeting. They are both in your packets, and we'll see you at 11 o'clock. Now what that means is, and I uploaded it to the assignment, the author's purpose worksheet here in a PDF form, and I also included an anchor chart for main idea to help you refresh on that. Miss Collier put up a PDF of the words. This was right from Quizlet, the root words from Quizlet. So that way if you wanted to download these or print these for you to have at home, it was easy for you to do so. Also included is a link to Quizlet if you want to play the games to help you remember the root words. That is also available on the post. Here we have the worksheet for author's purpose. There's another worksheet, so I'm just trying to figure out with Miss Collier which one that we want to have you do. But this is what the author's purpose worksheets should look like. There's a second one, both of them should be in your packet. And then also, I included a main idea anchor chart, just as a review. You guys should know this. But good readers can identify main idea. The main idea is what the text is mostly about. And here are some ways that you as a reader can identify main idea. Ooh. And I'm just realizing now I forgot to put my author's purpose thing up here too. So let me just quickly go to that. Author. Okay, and right here, author's purpose. Author's purpose is easy as pie. Authors write for a variety of reasons. Their purpose for writing will have an impact on the genre they write. The author wants to persuade you to do something or think a certain way. Those are the babies in the background. Examples of this would be in commercials, ads, or persuasive letters. There's also authors write to inform the reader. The author wants to give you information. They will share facts about a specific topic. Examples of informational purposes would be in science books, biographies, timelines, your history books. And then finally, E, the author wants to entertain you. The author wants their writing to be entertaining. They want to keep you interested. Stories, fantasy, poetry, movies are mostly often to entertain. Sometimes, though, authors will do more than one. They might want to persuade you and entertain you. They might want to inform you and entertain you. That could be like a documentary you might watch on Netflix. Oh, this is informational, but also this is very entertaining to watch. So that's just a brief overview of author's purpose, and we look forward to seeing you guys at 11. Let me know if you need any help.